Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across a blue screen error that says the thread has been stuck in a device driver error, and it's dxgkrnl.sys. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Type in CMD, best match should go back with command prompt. You want to go ahead and right click on that and then select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. Now in this elevated command line window, you want to go type in SFC space and then /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to run this command. Will take a couple moments to run, or a couple minutes I should say, so just be patient. Okay, so once that's done, close out of here. Another thing I would suggest would be to open up the start menu and type in File Explorer. Best match should come back with File Explorer, so go ahead and left click on that. Select this PC on the left side, and then go underneath whatever drive you're having the problem with. Probably your local disk or Windows is installed on. You can tell the little Windows icon right here. Go ahead and right click on that and then select Properties. Select the Tools tab, and then under Error Checking, this option will check the drive for file system errors. Go ahead and select Check. Select Scan Drive. should say successfully scanned. Go ahead and close out of here. Let's just restart your computer, and hopefully then the blue screen error would have dissipated or been removed at this point. If you're still having problems, you can always attempt the system restore as another option in addition to what I already showed. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.